Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is USMAN and I'm so glad to have all of you, whether you are new or returning subscribers, as a part of our wonderful family. And before we jump into today's video, I want to ask you to please like and share this video with your friends and loved one. A lot of people have been asking when the Home Office will start allocating certificate of sponsorship for work visa in the UK. Now, if you have been following me on this channel, you will know that there have been some changes regarding CoS. Currently, only a small percentage, around 2% of CoS are being approved by the UK government and the Home Office. This is because they are taking steps to combat scammers and individuals who sell CoS without providing actual job opportunities to employees once they arrive in the UK. Unfortunately, this means that many care homes will not be able to obtain CoS approval. That's why I wanted to address this question in today's video. If you are relying on a care home company to provide you with a CoS, it's important to start considering a plan B in case the CoS application is not approved by the Home Office. You should start considering your next step and watch other companies you can apply to. It's important to be proactive and prepare yourself for the possibility that some care companies may not have the necessary certification. As you can see on my screen, the immigration rules will be changing on 19th February to removing the rights for care workers to bring dependents, and this change will come into effect on 11th of March 24. I have already made a video about this which you can find in the description box. The new rules will require care providers in England to only sponsor migrant workers if they are regulated with the Care Quality Commission (CQC). This is to address the abuse of the care worker visa route and ensure that those coming through this route genuinely support the social care system. Please remember that I have already discussed this in my video, as the government has already implemented these changes. Many companies have already applied for their certificate of sponsorship CoS as from 11th of March. Care companies must be CQC regulated to sponsor overseas employees. Guys, make sure to check if that company is currently regulated by CQC. If it's not, you might end up waiting indefinitely while they keep giving you excuses. The Home Office won't approve or allocate CoS through any company that isn't securely regulated. If you have watched my previous video, you will see that it's clearly mentioned in the statement of the changes. If you are already employed by a company that isn't regulated by CQC, unless sponsor license has been revoked, you can continue working there. However, moving forward, such organizations won't be able to sponsor overseas workers unless they already have a CoS in place. Be cautious when dealing with companies claiming to have a CoS, as many of them turn out to be fake. Before investing in any company for a CoS, make sure to move to the UK before 11th of March. It's not too far away, so hold on to your money and apply for jobs in organizations that are securely regulated. I'll be sharing video on the companies that are securely regulated, so keep an eye out for those. Remember, 11th of March of the companies that aren't securely regulated won't be able to get their CoS approved. Stay informed and make wise decisions. Please be aware that starting from March 11th, companies that are not properly regulated will not be able to sponsor individuals from overseas. Do not fall from any deception. Even if someone asks you to pay a large sum of money, be cautious and start verifying the companies you are expecting from your sponsorship. The Home Office will begin approving sponsorships, but only for companies that are fully regulated. If you are waiting for a company that is not yet on licensed sponsors list and have already paid an agent, contact them to discuss getting a refund. It is important to ensure that the company you are waiting for is properly regulated, as companies not on the list will not be approved for sponsorship. Be patient if you are waiting for your sponsorship, as the Home Office will eventually start approving them. Make sure to check if the company you are waiting for is regulated. If not, consider applying to other regulated companies. The Home Office will start approving sponsorship, but the exact timeline is uncertain. It is best to stay informed and be prepared for any changes. Make sure that the company you are expecting your CoS from is still on the register of licensed sponsor and is already regulated by the Home Office. If they are not on the register or not regulated, it's best not to wait for the CoS from them. Be cautious and wise this year, as many people have fallen victim to scams. It's important to be aware of who you are dealing with and what you are waiting for. Don't trust organizations that refuse to disclose their name until the CoS is issued. Be careful and thorough in your job search and visa application process to avoid any issues in the future. Remember, having a UK COS or visa does not guarantee entry into the UK without any problem. Stay vigilant and informed to protect yourself from potential scams. And guys, I just want to tell you one more important thing what's going on in the UK. The most important thing, you need to be very careful, because the people who are already in the UK and they are on the career visa, they have bought their COS, because COS, the people who have bought the COS, they are getting in trouble. I have known the people who living in the UK, and they are telling me that they have experienced so many things, and the one worst thing is that UK Home Office police and the persons are going to the home of the peoples where they're living, and they're asking them the questions about how you came here and how you get the visa, how you get the interview, how you applied on this job. And special thing is that they're asking again and again, have you paid anything for your sponsorship? Especially, have you paid 19, 18,000, 20,000 pounds for your COS letter? You need to tell them. So be vigilant and be prepare yourself, because anytime they can come in your home and they can ask these questions as well. Hopefully this video will help you and you can get more information, and you can comment me for any other question. See you in the next video.